welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you are here again. If you are watching my video for the first time, I am Missions Off-Road. I'm an off-road and adventure enthusiast. Once you subscribe to my channel, you're gonna learn more about unique places in the UAE and Oman, hiking and camping tips, and some topics related to off-road vehicles. So make sure to hit that subscribe button under the video, and also the bell notification button. It's very important because you're gonna be the first one to see whenever I upload a new video in the future. And today I'm going to the mountains. It's a long due and awaited video, requested so many times by you guys, but I just wanted to make everything perfect in my car so that I am well prepared for this video. The setup is pretty much the same. A few things I added after my overlanding trip to Salalah in September that took 2 weeks through Oman. As you know, or maybe you don't know, the road to Salalah is about 15 hours one way, so I camped most of the time, except of I think 2 nights. So this setup worked very well for me. I camped many times inside my car, so I'm gonna try to show you as well the setup for sleeping inside. I'm quite short, I'm 163 centimeters, so I fit perfectly, but if someone is taller, obviously it's not gonna be the same. Anyways, not to waste time, let's go to the mountains. So this is how ideally my camping setup would look like before every trip, and I try to secure it with these ropes. It's not the ideal solution, but it helps a little bit. I have like hooks somewhere here, so usually I just tie them onto this one or here. Now, one by one, I will take out all my equipment, set up a camp, and then while I will be putting it back, I will show you exactly what I have inside. Every single item. This video is gonna be long. Somewhere here I would put the ice box as well, but because today I am not really going camping, just for the purpose of this video I am here in this beautiful location, so I didn't bring it, but usually I put it there. If it's a longer trip, then also somewhere here there would be suitcase, and then guitar I would put in the front seat. Okay, from the seat perspective it looks like that. There is a bag with the most important things I have for off-road, like shackles for recovery, rope, obviously the pipe for the air compressor, which should be inside right now. Anyways, as you can see, I pushed the seat, so there is a lot of space here. I'm gonna put these pillows inside. Usually I sleep with my head from this side, because out here it's a little bit uncomfortable. And I'm gonna make my bed now to show you how it looks like. I'm just gonna pop the duvet here. Obviously there would be also a kind of sheet at the bottom, but right now, because I'm not really camping, I'm just gonna show you how it looks like. So when it gets a little bit warmer, I have this fan. By the way, this box that is right here, this is the box with off-road stuff and car stuff in general, so also all sorts of tools and keys, and I almost never remove it, so that's why I have my bed on the side only. Then there is a paddleboard, which I don't use much in winter, so I decided to push it back. And then on the side there is also an extra tent, which I only use in case someone in the group doesn't have a tent to camp. So the fan. Also, I have here a little divider, which I hang in here, and then I would put all my stuff inside, like lights and power banks or books or contact lenses box or whatever is important. I would put it right here so that it's easy to reach. And there is a yoga mat here, and as you can see when you are here inside, it's quite cozy, so I really like it. I will show you now how I fit inside it. So if I decided to sleep like that, there's a lot of space for me, but like I said, I usually sleep this way. I installed in some places these little hangers. They are here as well, and here because many times when I was trying to attach the light there was no place to do so. So these ones are really helpful. Also, I would put my Elvis here when I camp. This is his place. And I have also the lights here, powered by normal batteries, that I would also hang somewhere around here. I wanted to mention something very important. So when I was in Salalah, when I was sleeping inside the car, I had to take out pretty much everything to have space to sleep. And the baskets that I had were not waterproof. Basically, some of them, they were made out of material. So I decided to buy these baskets, these boxes from Ikea. And they are a very good solution because the water doesn't go inside, so I can take out everything that I want from the car and just leave it outside. So this is how my usual camp would look like, starting from majlis, coffee table, my tent, then table that I usually prepare food at, and the fireplace. Water I prefer to keep far away, not to attract insects. So the water tank, trash bin. Okay, let's do it. So inside here there is a flag that I got from Wolf Off-Road Gear, and I always put it here so that it's easily accessible. This is my beach bag. In the beach bag I have this kind of carpet or a towel, and then inside here I have one pair of beach shoes and the other pair of beach shoes. This is you know what it is. And then there is a swimming suit and also top. There is another beach towel here. There are 2 pillows, and that's it. Since it is now winter time and I don't go much to the beach, I put it here inside because I don't need to take it out. At the bottom I need to put the mattress. Then these pillows, they go on the side. Now we will put here the box with duvet and pillow, but except of duvet and pillow, I also have here this is a palm and the mattress. In this box there is also one more blanket and sheet, but I just washed it recently, so it's still drying. And these IKEA boxes, they are amazing. The cover actually, it clicks on it, but be careful because there are 2 different kind of covers. One will attach and the other will not, from IKEA. So make sure you get the right one. This also is for a reason, because as you can see I removed the rear seats from Jeep. Basically there is nothing that will block things to go to the front in case I brake suddenly. So that's why this goes inside and it will not come through between the seats. So this is another IKEA box that is for carpets and the barbecue. Now I will take all the carpets and fit in the box. I just realized that I did a major mistake, which is forgetting about the table. Table should go under the boxes. So I'm gonna remove the box now and then put the table here. This table I got from Carrefour, but you can get it pretty much everywhere in the UAE, including, I guess, Decathlon would be the best. This blue carpet is from under my tent. This small carpet. So the majlis, which is in this sitting area, I got it from Dragon Mart. Was like 500 dirham or something. No, yes. Time for this one. And then this box is with miscellaneous stuff. There is Elvis. There are some games. These are extra clothes, which include abaya, because sometimes when I decide to go somewhere after trip, it's good to cover up if I'm not wearing proper clothes. There is also extra pajama and like socks, underwear, stuff like that. Here are my extra shoes, sneakers, for the same reason. Sometimes I go hiking and then I want to go somewhere else and I don't have proper shoes. These are my camping shoes, so I walk in this around the camp. This I already showed you, the lights. There is also the fan and the camping shower. I got it from my parents, and the playing cards. And this box goes here at the top. This tent is from Decathlon. I got it from my friend Asa for my birthday. I love it. It's so quick to set up and it keeps you cold inside as well. Okay, the tent is done and it goes inside there. And also a small coffee table. And this is my food box. It's emergency food box. Sometimes I keep it on the passenger seat, but today I have a lot of space here, so it's gonna be here. And this is a very important box as well. It has a lot of utilities. This tablecloth is from inside. I got it from my mom. This pattern, it's very Slavic. I come from Poland, if you don't know. Then there is a stove here, small stove. That's why I said it's a very important box. What else? A lot of gas cylinders. This is for barbecue, for the coal, for washing. This is for the coal as well. Gloves to collect wood and so on. Broom. Lighters. Trash bags. Washing liquid. And here we have burner and olibanum or luban, and this is for the purpose of scaring away the insects. But what's pretty much left only are two baskets, which are, one is for tea, coffee and hot drinks, and the other one is for cooking basically. Everything fits here perfectly, as you can see. Obviously I had to put it separately in the plastic box, otherwise it would break. Anyways, this is my mug for coffee or tea. These are teacups for Suleiman tea, I guess. I brought them from Kuwait. These are the coffee cups. This is also, let's say, if I'm camping with someone for karak maybe, or coffee or tea. Other cups for tea. Then this is for karak. So that goes at the bottom. These are like coasters made out of wood by my dad. So I brought them from Poland. This one is obviously to hold coffee when it's hot or tea. Then we have Emirati coffee here, sugar, normal coffee, tea, cocoa. This is coffee brewer. And this is tea pot, rose water for coffee mostly. This is Della. Whenever I make hot tea and coffee, I put it here. Then this is coffee, Della, dates. Very, very important thing. This is, you know, holder for tissues. This is for dates. Actually, it's part of the set that is in another basket. Inside here I have all my favorite teas. So Earl Grey, green tea, chamomile when I want to go to sleep. Saffron is here. Okay, done. And let's move to another basket, which is less stuff and less used, but here I have a small pan, some stuff for cooking. This is, like I said, the set for coffee, finjans here, and then inside there is dates bowl, cutlery, including knives and stuff like that. Then I have this C2 Summit pot. Here I have some spices, salt, small bowls, towel, and the rest I will not take out, but I will just show you. There is a bowl for washing. I usually put it right under the water tank. Some plates, chopping board, small pot for boiling some things, and that's it. And so we are almost done. The water tank, I got it from my friend. He was so kind to go to this shop that's like in Masafi, and it was never on my way, but he went and got it for me. And then we have these seats here Because it is very bumpy, the guitar I will put on the passenger seat. This is a trash bin. So this will be amenities bag. I will go quickly through it. I usually keep it in front of the car so that I have all of those things handy, somewhere close. Contact lenses, eye shades, hairbrush, sunscreen, contact lenses, liquid, makeup stuff, shampoo, shower gel, yeah, Colgate, you know, creams, antiperspirant, melatonin for sleeping, and this is for insects, soap, lock, yeah, that's pretty much it, earplugs, and underbrush, some makeup stuff, and sewing kit. This is very important as well. And I guess that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you reached to this point, I hope you found this video helpful. I hope that maybe if you're a beginner in camping, you found some inspiration. Right now I just want to only add the awning because it's gonna get hot soon, the weather I mean, so I will need it to stay in the shadow. Also the roof rack comes with it, so that's my probably next upgrade. Also I need to change the tire. I tried to mention all the shops that I got the stuff from in the description box of this video, so check it out also. And if you like this video, please press the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Also leave the comment down below because I love reading comments from you. And I just want to say thank you for everything. Thank you for being with me on this channel. It grew a lot since the beginning. Your support is everything to me. I also have a website, if you don't know, it's www.missionsofroad.com, where I post guides for hiking, campings, off-roadings and so on, but also a lot of locations in the UAE to where you can go camping, hiking, off-roading. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for today. I wish I could stay here for camping tonight, but work is calling. Take care and see you in another video. Ma salama.